realised that I'm actually not like very good at art and I failed it. Hello everyone! So today's video is going to be a Christmas craft DIY video. I was going to do multiple crafts, but then I realised that I'm actually not like very good at art and I failed it, so no one's going to want to do loads of crafts after me. What we're going to do instead is I'm just doing one craft that I found on Pinterest. I'm going to credit the owner now so you can get all the links and info you need. This was my attempt of doing it, so if you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. Click subscribe down below if you want to see my face again. Oh, hell no! Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I've literally made my own DIY setup. We love this. It's trash, okay? I'm not a freaking artist, but here we go. If I keep getting louder and quieter, it's because I'm moving away from the camera to grab my essentials. So here we go, guys. I got this idea from an artist on Pinterest, and they just look really pretty and really cool and really cute. I will say, quick warning with this DIY, we are going to be using a glue gun. So if you are below the age of 13 or maybe even 14, I want to say get an adult to help you with this, just so you don't burn yourself on the hot glue. With that being said, we're gonna get started right here. Take some of these babies right here. So these are just tea lights I picked up in a cheap little craft store. You can probably get them anywhere, to be honest. They are really, really good things. I got a pack of 6 for £2, I want to say they were, but this is what they look like. And obviously they already come installed with batteries, which is really handy. I'm going to grab the one that I've already tested. So if I turn it on like this, and you will see that it lights up just here. So we're going to pop that down there for a moment. And what we're going to be doing is, because we're going to be making them into snowmen, the first thing I am going to do is draw on the face using a Sharpie marker. So you can use any type of permanent marker, that is fine, it will work for either way. But what we're going to do here, I'm just making sure you can see, we're going to get a lot of shadows in this because of the lighting, but I can't really help that, so enjoy the shadows. I can't really suspend my lamp from the ceiling, or I would be doing that, and without it the lighting's not good, so I'm sorry. This is what I get for living in the UK with the dark, atrocious winter. I haven't done art in a while so I'm probably not the best person to be taking advice from, and if I ruin this, this is all my fault. Look how cute that is though. Once you've done the two eyes on top, you want to make them fairly close to the nose because you are going to be putting a hat on or some sort of head accessory. That is so cute. I'm going to turn it around and kind of give you guys a little look how sweet that is. That actually turned out really well. I'm quite happy. I'm going to make a scarf first, I think. So I have here some different kind of colours of felt, which I think would be really cute to use. Again, if you are a little bit young, I suggest getting a parent to help you with this, but here we go. We've got some scissors, some awfully sharp scissors. I'm probably the worst person to trust around scissors. It doesn't have to be neat, I mean, it probably would help, but this is what I'm doing. It's getting bigger as I go along. Me as I go along the buffet. Me talking about my plate as I go along the buffet. Right, I'm gonna stop dragging myself, but this is what you're gonna end up with, a very not straight bit of material, but as long as it's a line of some form, you'll be fine. What I'm going to do first is cross it over like that, like a little ribbon. Okay, so what you want to do now is take your scarf, and we've got your glue gun here, which I've plugged in, so that's fine. Glue's coming out of it as I speak. You're going to want to make a little loop like that, and then you're going to want to just lift that up, place a little blob here, and by little, I mean a lot, because a lot's just come out. Oh, look at that string! And then you just want to hold that down into place. So what we're going to do, we're going to take that, you're just going to fold that bit over, just so you've got a kind of flat surface going on. This was way more easier reading the tutorial, but I like to make things difficult. And then what we're going to do now is you want to take your glue gun again, with your messy strands of glue everywhere, and you want to just put a dab of glue along here, and then what you're going to do is just kind of plump him on there and hold that in place. And then this is what you should end up with, something like this. Take some plain white paper, and we're just going to draw like a hat outline, only a little one, because you know he's not very, wow. That line wasn't straight, was it? And then what you can do is give it a colour. So we're just going to colour this bit in black. You can use the Sharpie, which is what the angle we're going with is. You can use a black felt tip. And then what you're going to do is, I want to make it a stripy hat. So we're going to do a black stripe another black stripe. Probably not the most evenest stripes in the world, that's fine. Another black stripe, another black stripe, and another black stripe. And I'm going to colour this corner in, I think. There we go. So now what we're going to do is I'm just going to colour the remaining stripes in this kind of pinky red colour. And we're just going to cut like this. Again, if you are very young, please get an adult to help you. And we're going to take our snowman, and that's what it's going to look like. Oh, I love that. Okay, take this and place it onto the head like that. This is the finished product. I'm going to turn it on. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. Probably took me all of 10 minutes to make. This is what the finished product looks like. So that was my little DIY craft video for you there. If you enjoyed the video, do be sure to give it a thumbs up and click subscribe down below if you want to join my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.